Hi everyone, this is Robert J. Bailey, CPA. Now, have you noticed an explosion of unwanted emails in your inbox lately? What if I told you clicking unsubscribe might install a virus on your computer? In this video, I'll show you a new, ingenious scam hackers are using, how it works, and step by step exactly how you can block it safely, even if you're not tech savvy. Now, here's how the scam works. Cyber criminals buy or harvest email lists targeting certain groups, especially seniors who they believe have money, aren't tech savvy, and are more trusting than other groups. They send you massive number of emails daily. It's called email bombing. The content often promotes some silly or irrelevant product because the goal isn't to sell you anything, it's to annoy you. You get tired of deleting these emails and you finally use the unsubscribe link in the email. You click on it and boom! Clicking that link can trigger spyware, viruses, or ransomware to be installed on your computer. The trick is the unsubscribe button is the trap. So you must never click unsubscribe links in suspicious emails. Instead, block the sender, and I'm going to show you how. All right, folks, so you're looking at a typical email inbox screen. So, Sam's Club sent me something. Let me click on that. No. The first thing I want to show you is how to identify who is actually sending you the email. So it says at samsclub.com or Sam's Club at Sam's Club. Oh, I go to Sam's Club. Let me click on it. No. Just lay your cursor on and you can see that little box came up? You can see it's not from Sam's Club. All right? Oh, Walmart. I go to Walmart. What do they send me? Okay, lay your cursor there and look at that. Look at the size of that sender's address. That is not Walmart sending you that email. All right? Now, let's go up a little bit. Oh, look, AAA. AAA is good stuff. Lay your cursor on there. It is not from AAA. All right? So, instead of opening these emails, and again, if you're getting email bombed, I do not want you to open these emails and click unsubscribe. What I want you to do is this. All right, if you want to do it one at a time, so here we know that sender's not Sam's Club. I don't want you sending me any more stuff. So I'm going to right click on that line and I see block senders. So I just hit that and I can just do now block all future emails and delete all existing emails. Okay. And it took care of it. It's done. All right. Now, if you want to do it as a group, so you don't have to do this each time for each one. Okay, I don't want this. I don't want you sending me any more stuff. I don't know how you ever got my address in the first place. I didn't sign up for it. Okay, so I'm just going to just click on all these boxes because there's nothing here. Oh, AAA. Well, we just saw that's not really AAA. So I don't want any more of these coming in and wasting my time. So I've clicked all these boxes. Now, I'm going to right click from anywhere and block senders. And look at all these senders right at once. Bang. They're gone. Okay? So that's what I want you to do. Hi, folks. So always keep this in mind. Never open emails from unknown senders. Never click links unless you're absolutely sure who sent them. And always inspect the email sender's address. And I just showed you how to do that. Now, this unsubscribe scam is new, it's aggressive, it's ingenious, and it preys on people trying to clean up their inbox. Don't fall into the trap. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this information with your friends and family members to protect them too. Now, next, I will be making a video to show you what to do if your computer is taken over by a virus or ransomware. This quick and easy trick will work 9 out of 10 times to rid your computer of the problem. And please tell me, have you ever been the victim or an attempted victim of a cybercrime? Please share your experiences in the comments below. Your input is very important to this channel, and I read every comment. Now, this is Robert J. Bailey, CPA, and this channel's purpose is to help you keep more money in your pocket where it belongs. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.